Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DESZREN. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. A lot of people have been asking me what I use to moisturize my hair, how I moisturize my hair in between retwists. Me personally, I like to moisturize my hair whenever it needs it, which is usually every other day, or just whenever it feels dry or it just needs some moisture. I always tell people to listen to their hair. That's a really big part in just maintaining your hair in general, is listening to it. When I say listening to it, if it's dry, if it's screaming at you like, hello, I'm thirsty, quench its thirst, please. Like, don't be out here with dry edges, dry scalp, dry hair. It's not cute. So cut it out and moisturize your hair when you need to. Okay? My moisturizing routine is super simple, actually. If you watch my ASMR scalp massage video, this sun is busting. Anyway, if you watch my ASMR scalp massage video, then you already kind of saw how I like to oil my scalp. I don't do a deep scalp massage like that all the time or every other day. I might do that right before I'm about to wash my hair. So I kind of treat that as a pre-poo, is when I'm doing like a deep scalp massage like that. So I have my own oil mixture that I like to concoct every now and again. I don't know why I like to mix oils, I just do. I feel like it's just like a powerhouse, and it's just like, yes, softness, yes, moisture, yes, all of it, shine, just all of the stuff that I am looking for. So I'm going to show you guys what oils I use. This is an applicator bottle that I have the oils mixed in. The main ingredient is Jamaican black castor oil and the rosemary one. I'm going to link all these two below if you guys want to try them, or if you want to come up with your own oil mixture. The next one I use is jojoba oil. I love this stuff. It's so lightweight and it doesn't weigh your hair down. One thing I like about this oil mixture that I use is that even though I don't measure anything, I still kind of have an idea of how much I'm putting in it. So I'm making sure that it's not super heavy, or I'm not putting a crap ton of castor oil in it to weigh it down, because I already have fine hair. I don't need something just sitting on top of my hair and my hair not soaking it up, you know? I just recently started putting shea nut oil in my oil mixture and I love it. I use this on my body too, and the glow is just amazing. Honestly, I love this stuff. The other oil I do like to put is vitamin E oil. I really just did not feel like bringing it up here, so yeah. And I have my water mixture. If you watched my last video, then you know why it's tainted and yellow like this, because of the vitamin E oil I put in it. But this is just a mixture of rose water and regular water, like tap water, and vitamin E oil. I'm also going to link the rose water that I used in the description below, because I was not able to make my own and I just want to use up this rose water that I bought before I start making my own again. So yeah. All right, let's get into this very basic ass routine. I like to start off by just spraying my hair until my hair is damp, not soaking wet. We are not drenching ourselves right now, okay? You just want it to be damp enough where you can feel it and it's like, oh, okay, it's wet. It's wet. Oh man. So now that my hair is damp before it dries, because I have high porosity hair and my hair dries so quickly, I'm going to take my oil mixture and I'm going to put it on my fingertips. And I'm pretty generous with this stuff too, because like I said, my hair is high porosity and it just soaks up whatever really fast. I like to just squeeze it into my hair. I don't really have like a certain way to do it, I just do it. So even though I still have excess oil on my hands, I'm just gonna put a little bit more on my fingertips. Rub it only on my fingertips this time. And I'm just gonna lightly massage my scalp. And honestly, with the oil that's still on my hands, I don't normally wash it off. I'll just rub it on like my elbows or my knees, something, my feet, I don't know. But I don't like to waste it. My skin soaks it up anyways, and it also keeps my hands nice and soft and hydrated. So I don't ever wash it off. If you want to wash it off, be my guest, but that's not what I do. Mainly I do this in the morning or when I first get up. Sometimes I'll do it at night if I feel like my hair is super dry and it needs it, which really isn't that often, or if I just forget to do it in the morning, then I'll do it at night. But if I'm gonna do it at night, I steam my hair in the shower, and then when I get out the shower is when I just quickly put in the oils in my hair. So not much of a difference, but that's pretty much it for my moisturizing routine, how I moisturize my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful for someone out there to answer some questions. And yeah, if you guys have any more questions, please do not hesitate to comment below. Once again, thank you so much for all the love and the support. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.